Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to verify phone number in Google Ads. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Verifying your phone number in Google Ads is essential for using call extensions and call-only ads. Here's how you can do it. First of all, log into your Google Ads account. Go to the Google Ads website and log into your account. Access call extensions. In your Google Ads account, click on the Ads and Extensions tab on the left side. Select Extensions from the drop-down menu. Add a call extension. Click on the plus button and select Call Extension. Enter your phone number in the provided field. Verify your phone number. Google will send a verification code to the phone number you entered. Enter the verification code in the Google Ads interface to verify your phone number. Additional tips. Ensure accuracy. Double-click that the phone number you entered is correct to avoid any verification issues. Use a business number. It's recommended to use a business number for better credibility and customer trust. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.